here. And of course, the only Indian brand which has 3 patents worldwide. And those 3 patents are Waterbrave, Emboss and Wire. And I would like to introduce now Mr. Hiten, Ms. Krushika and Mr. Yash Jain from the team of Lawman Page 3 to come up on the stage and felicitate Siddharth Malhotra.
Lawman Page 3 is a contemporary international brand of our company, and we're doing a lot of designing and it's meeting the international standards. We've got patented products like Wi-Fi, Vertebrae, Emboss, and it's very much youth-centric brand. That is how we've been associated with Bollywood industry like a couple of years back. And looking Siddharth as a young, vibrant actor, it feels really privileged to sponsor this movie and as a style partner, and looking forward for this fantastic association together as a brand. So very vibrant, youthful brand. And can I have 3 cheers for Lawman Page 3, please? Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! And I'm very sure you would like to hear something from Siddharth about the brand and the association.
Hello girls and guys. Well, I'm happy to be here today at this store. This is the very store downstairs that we shot that sequence actually. So it's the location where me and Shraddha came and shot for our film. You saw it, you recognize it, okay, so you're asking, so. And all thanks to them, I had some cool denims and shirts to wear in the film. So some of the costumes are all thanks to Lawman, and I think it's a great band for all the youngsters. And as far as the styling is concerned, I think they're making us look much cooler and much more even. So hopefully you guys will find us stylish, and a few more days to go for Ek Villain. I hope you guys enjoy the film, and thank you for having me.
I just heard you saying you came to the store. Is this the same store?
Yes, right below. We shot right there.
How was your
These girls
experience?
remember.
I was standing here too. Okay, so how was your experience?
Actually, shooting downstairs, the store was quite friendly. We got to try on some shirts, and the exact suit that I wear all throughout the second sequence is all thanks to Lawman. So I think hopefully I look stylish in that. And I'm taking out some Lawman clothes also, so you'll see me without clothes as well.
Okay, so that's about Lawman, and thank you so much people for joining us up on this stage. And of course, now, हमें से सभी लोगों को पता है that Siddharth is one of the most wonderful dancers. We've seen him dancing. Yes, he is.
Well, in this film, actually, I'm trying to change my my dancing moves. I don't dance in this film at all. All I do in this film is give serious and angry looks, so I can look angry at you
No
guys.
worries, we know you're quite romantic.
All I do action, so you guys choose.
Who's coming up action, but who's ready to get a punch on the face?
No, I don't fight girls. So no action with girls.
Oh, so लड़कियों का सेंस गया. Okay, but still. There are many kids around who want to shake a leg with you, and I've been throwing a contest that who's the most wonderful fan and everything like that. So, any 3 kids who would like to join up? Oh wait, let me pick up. Let Siddharth pick up. Okay? Any three.
Okay,
Make specific
the guy in
like.
green, somebody.
Come on.
The girl in pink. The girl there.
So she made something for you. She told me she made something for you. Okay, the final one.
One more. You
Yeah.
want to you pick.
Uh,
Okay,
Come on,
the guy in the blue and green. Come on.
Alright.
Oh, thank you. So sweet. You made this during your boats. Why weren't you studying?
OMG, you made it during your boats. Seriously, is your mom around? Oh, she knows everything.
Sorry to your mom, and I hope mom she gets colorful colors, or she scores with equal amount of. You already scored 86, so okay, mom should already get.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Okay, now can I get the music on? Wonderful dance, and
So sweet,
thank
thank
you
you.
all for joining us up.
And you're a lovely dancer also. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you,
Well, lucky you got twice hug.
Thank you very much. Right. So, thank you guys.
Thank you guys for joining us up. And the next thing that's coming up is, if you all know, Lawman Pastry has been running a wonderful contest where all of you had a wonderful chance of meeting the stars of Equivalent. And we have the 3 winners of this contest to meet the villain over here. Can I have all the 3 villains? No, all the 3 contest winners to come up and meet the villain over here. That's right, Pareen, Bhavin and Asif on the stage.
Instead of me doing disco, you won't see any of disco on this Friday, but only you'll see me being a bad guy and a villain and trying to romance. So you'll see
Before
how good it is to be bad, and you'll see a bad guy's love story, which is new, but there's still maybe falling in love with Shraddha. So hope you guys enjoy Ek Villain this Friday, guys. Please all of you go and watch, and I will see you.
And of course, the media. I invite the media now to come up over here. And of course, Siddharth, we can take your seat. We can just have a seat. Just a few questions from the media.
Come. Who's coming?
Okay. I invite the media to ask a few questions to Siddharth, and I would like to tell you.
I think villains got more shade. कोई better or worse नहीं है. Without a villain, hero is not possible. Without a hero, villain is not there. So they both are equal measures are important. Oh yeah, Lawman Pastry has given us enough costumes. I've been wearing their jeans in the film and some I think some shirts. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the costumes and if not, then Lawman Pastry. I have not actually. So far we've only been promoting and I like the picture. I've seen the image of me doing this pose, which is from the film. So yeah, I think it makes a great poster and hope to see it all around. Well, that's a producer's prerogative, not the actors. So I think Balaji is more apt to answer that. As far as we are concerned, yeah, we're just acting in a film. Villain, of course, as I said, I think is so much new for me. You know, I've never played a negative shade. I've only done 2 other films before that, which have been so positive. And I think people didn't expect, or rather, they don't perceive me playing this kind of shade. And so it's exciting. It's exciting to go out of the box. It's exciting to push the limits and show them that I can also play the shade. We are still Dharma talent, so I'm still part of Dharma Productions. So he's always there. Him and Reshma Shetty, my manager, is always there. उसके बारे में पूछूं, रोमांटिक फिल्म के बाद मैं एक्शन फिल्म में आ गया. उसके बारे में क्या?
नहीं, उसके बारे में बताइए
कि मैं क्यों आया?
कितनी चैलेंजिंग था?
कितना चैलेंज था? हाँ, कितना चैलेंजिंग था, ऐसा कोई सवाल हो तो हाँ. To do an action film right after doing romance, or do an intense film right after doing romance, or the two kind of films I've done, I think is far more taxing because real life references are not there. या अपनी निजी जिंदगी में मैं ऐसा नहीं हूँ, या ऐसे किसी को जानता नहीं हूँ, तो ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, मेंटली ज़्यादा होमवर्क करना पड़ता है एज एन एक्टर, अपने लुक पे काम करना पड़ता है, और वही कोशिश करी है अभी. पर आई थिंक होपफुली आफ्टर एक फिल्म आई विल बी ओपन टू, और आई एटलीस्ट गेट मोर फिल्म्स व्हिच आई कैन डू बोथ नेगेटिव एंड पॉजिटिव. सो या, लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दिस फ्राइडे एंड होपफुली यू गाइस एंजॉय इट.